So here's how I take photos of birds in my backyard. I got my camera set up right here. And I'm aiming it at a fence, and on the fence I've stuck some peanuts. There's a little bird coming up now. The scrub jays were just starting to get their new feathers when I was photographing them. I barely had enough time to get the peanuts placed on the fence and get back to the camera when these guys would fly in and grab the goodies. They worked in pairs. When one would get a peanut and take off, the other would fly in and grab its prize. There are a variety of birds that come into our backyard, each posing for their photos to be taken. That's actually a American goldfinch. Doesn't look too good right now because he's molting. In other words, the old feathers are coming off, but the new feathers will be coming in. He'll be a bright, gold, good-looking bird. Here's a goldfinch that still has his nice colors. This is what they look like before they molt. Beautiful birds, and this is why it's the Washington state bird. having a success finding birds to photograph? I imagine you're getting quite a few different ones, aren't you? Yeah, I've got a few birds. Seen some scrub jays, some chickadees, some finches. In fact, I got American goldfinch. That's the Washington State bird. Got a crow. A lot of different things flying around. All right here in the backyard with this camera. So I'll put them all on the video so you can see them. And we also got a little bit of a hummingbird came in and out. We've got these, they're Anna hummingbirds, and they come in every day. They're here all year long. They stay through the winter, and we feed them through the winter. And they've gotten to know us. In fact, when I'll come out, they'll actually fly face level, and I'll say hello, and it'll just flap at me, and eventually it'll take off. The other day we have a new puppy, Willow, and I was walking Willow on the back side of the house, and there was the hummingbird, and the hummingbird was there by me, there again, face, in fact, there he just went, face level, and was kind of looking at Willow because I hadn't seen Willow before. So I walked around, came back to the deck, and the hummingbird followed me, and while I'm at the deck, again, the hummingbird's right there, flies down to check out Willow. Seen Willow, came back, looked at me, and took off. So we make connections with birds, and I'm sure all of you who have your favorite birds in your backyards, you make connections too, and it's pretty fun to do. Scrub jays, they come in, they know I'm going to feed them peanuts. That's the whole draw, is the food. And we can get close to them, although never been able to touch one. Some of the finches, they'll eat out of our hands. They'll hop up on our fingers. I had one land on I was wearing my eyeglasses, and it landed right up here on my eyeglasses and walked around with me. So they make connections, and you make connections. Backyard birds, what a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed this one. Embrace the journey, embrace your journey, and we'll see you next week.